Hi, Gichu family. Welcome to All Trending Mzansi. But Kosi, I am sure you all remember the drama that took place between Naledi Apiwe and Mahu's sister Amahle, when Naledi insulted Mahu's sister using her late child, and then Amahle retaliated and insulted Unaledi using her late mother. Most of their fans, they were shocked and they wanted to know ukuthi kahle kahle their fight started where, which led to the pair to actually insult each other with such painful incidences. Well, but say now we have the full info. During an interview that Mau had at Ukakasi FM, she revealed the reason behind the whole fallout. She stated that before Naledi became the famous Naledi that we love and adore today, Naledi approached Umau and requested that may they please work together on a song. And Mau, being herself, she agreed, and Naledi came forward and they tried to work on a song, but the song did not actually work out. Well, things like they do actually happen in the entertainment industry. Soon after, Mau's sister Amahle invited Unaledi on an event that she was hosting, but Naledi was supposed to perform there. And when she arrived, they are stating that allegedly, Mao stated that allegedly Naledi wanted people to enter the event without buying a ticket, which was going to affect to Amahle, and Amahle refused, and then they had an argument and Naledi left the event without performing. What a dramatic thing. And then Amahle went to Naledi after the whole event situation to request for a refund because Bella Osisi, she did not perform. And then that is when Naledi started insulting Amahle according to Umau, allegedly. And then when Naledi used Amahle's late child on their fight, Amahle went to a sister seeking for advice, and then Mao encouraged her to actually retaliate back. And then that's when we were actually involved in their situation because it was all over social media. The screenshots, the voice notes, and the insults, they were indeed shocking. Please do leave your comments down below and tell me what you think about this whole situation. Thank you for watching. Catch you on my next one.